Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, welcome to the next episode of Throwback Thursday. And this will be the first episode for 2020. And what we're going to do is we're going to make some, I guess, dewdrops. Colored dewdrops. We're going to attempt anyway. I haven't tried this, but I did see a video on it, and I thought it would be cute because I've seen, I think it was Scrap Diva 29, I think she, maybe some months back, was saying that she bought some things that look like this from AliExpress. So my thing is, if you have these already and you have everything you need to make them, you don't have to go and buy any. And what these are is the vase fillers that you get at Michael's. And I've had these for a couple of years now. And these are the little round ones. That's going to be one. And then I just did a video on this, and this is the diamond dust. And I think I asked you guys for some suggestions on what we can do with diamond dust. So we're going to try to make something up right now. So I got my vase filler, my diamond dust, and I have this alcohol ink, which is something else I did a video. It was in the video. And this is eggplant. And I got these two dishes. I wished I had two tops, but I only got one. But we got these two little dishes. And we're just going to scoop out some stuff and let's see what happens. We're going to try and color some of these. So I'm just going to scoop out a little bit. I'm not going to scoop out a lot because I don't use this stuff like that. But I think it'll be cute, especially if you got some type of project that you're working on. I'm just trying to make sure this bag doesn't have a hole in it, because it looked like it did. Let me just dump those in there and see what happens. If they fall out, I don't know. Okay, nothing fell out. And I'm just going to use one drop of this alcohol ink. Let me squish this bag down. Like so. Got all of the vase filler in the corner right there. And I'm just going to use one drop if I can get this open. There we go. I'm just going to use one drop of alcohol ink. Looked like it had been wasting too. Maybe I didn't have it on good. Oops, wow. Whoa, that was two. But we're going to pretend like it was just one. And we're going to see if we can get these colored. Let's see what happens. Let's get them all in there. And I just so happened to be looking up diamond dust. And I saw this video. And we're going to see how this is going to work out. So I'm shaking this. And we all know alcohol ink kind of dries quickly. So let's see. Let me put them in my hand just to see if they dry. But if not, I just have alcohol ink in my hand. Okay. I think I got them all. And actually, they are very pretty. It was a little wet. I got a little bit of ink on me. But there we go. We have some of the colored little dewdrops. And I'll put that over there. And now let's try to do the same technique using the diamond dust. Now, what would you use purple diamond dust for? I don't know. I just don't know. But we're going to do the same thing. Just grab a little scoop of here. Just about that much. Like I say, not a lot. Put the top back on this because this is one thing. This is ground glass, by the way. Just in case you guys didn't know, diamond dust is ground glass. And I'm just going to put this in the same bag because we're going to use the same color. Try to get one drop. Try to be a little bit more careful this time. One drop. Now let's start this process. Uh-oh. The drop is way up there. There we go. Get it out of there. Get it off the bag and onto the product. Onto the diamond dust. That is pretty. There we go. Now this I won't pour in my hand. I'm just gonna take this straight back to the back to this container. Let me see if I can get it in there. Ah, come on, I got it in there. Come on. Smart, Tasha. Ooh, and there we go. So now we have purple diamond dust and some purple dewdrops. And that was a very easy Throwback Thursday. Like I said, this is from video I saw was from 9 years ago. I think it was August or something, like August. Ooh, it was 9 years ago according to YouTube. Oh guys, I just did a little experiment. I put in a drop or two more in here, and as you can see, the color did get more intense, and I just used it in here just like this and took it up like this, and the color did disperse. Looks like it dispersed quite evenly, and I got more color. Just an idea. You know what, let's do it with this so you guys can see. Put I don't like that. Okay, that's one more drop. I'm gonna close this up, and I'm gonna turn it upside down, and you see how it's getting darker. So you can just get these little things and make them right in the container. If you don't mind the noise, like with these, for instance. There we go. A little bit deeper. Still pretty. Okay, guys, that's it. All right, guys, that is our Throwback Thursday project. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye, love bugs.